Hello, class, and welcome. This is week 6. Week number 6. We're officially kicking that off within our course. Just a few things here that I want to talk about before I actually get into the week 6 content and kind of break something down to you. And I just want to apologize to the class here because I did make an error. And I know that you probably noticed that 2 days ago when I posted on the news feed, and it was regarding the week 5 discussion post. Originally, what I had down was that these posts were to be due on October the 15th and the 16th, and I do greatly apologize because what I actually did, I got a month ahead of myself in terms of actually posting this. So, what I did, and I'm quite sure after looking at the responses with the discussion threads, I see that everybody, pretty much for the most part, they have replied to those two discussion questions that are relative to week number 5. But I'm giving everyone who has not done it until tonight. That would be tonight at 11:59. Make your initial post as well as respond back to one of your peers. And that's going back to the week 5 discussion post. If you not have done so already, if you not have not completed that task. So, that is information pertinent to the week that we are closing out, week number 5. And so now what we're going to do, we're going into week number 6. Week number 6 of the course has officially been opened. It is Sunday morning. It is a little bit after 10 a.m. on September 25th. So what we're talking about is menu pricing methods, okay? Just like what we've done the prior weeks, I provided a written lecture of material that's covering the content within the textbook and some different methods in terms of pricing. And also, one of the things that we're going to look at is we're going to look at the point of sale system, which is really vital for the most part for a lot of restaurants in terms of keeping tracks of sales as well as kind of breaking down other things. For example, okay, like how fast is the food going out and what is the productivity of the servers within the restaurant. So every restaurant, for the most part, regardless of size, should have a point of sale system. So all of that information and content is in week number 6. And of course, I have provided a PowerPoint, which you will see up under the bottom here. Okay, that pretty much is a reflection of the written lecture that I've provided. So what you will do this week is the discussion post. You will have 2 discussion posts as you've done every week. And these will be due on Thursday night at 11:59 p.m. That would be Thursday night. We're looking at September 29th at 11:59. You will make your response initially to the discussion question threads. There are 2 of them. And then, of course, for the assignment, okay, it's kind of a summary this week. Like what we did the first 4 weeks, you had a summary that was due. All right, so you're going to answer this question and give me 1 paragraph in regards to product differentiation. All right, and that assignment will be due next Saturday, October the 1st at 11:59. You will give your paragraph response to the week 6 assignment. Now, one thing that I want to do is, as a reminder, I want to talk about the midterm project. And I said that over the next couple of weeks, this is actually my second week of talking about this, of discussing this. The midterm project is going to be due on October the 15th. And this is a rather unique project. We are going to eventually engage within the Chapter 7 textbook or Chapter 7 of the text, okay, when it comes to running a bar and managing startup costs that are relative to a bar. So this is the scenario that I created. And again, I gave everybody a $500,000 budget, okay, regarding the startup costs. That is your budget to work with. I also gave everyone a link in terms of breaking down the profits and the loss that you experience with an actual bar. So use the textbook material, Also, use the link that I gave you. Make sure you cite those references, APA format, when you actually do put together this project. And then you can also use additional resources on your own. But make sure that within this PowerPoint, this is a PowerPoint presentation, that you also cite those references as well. So this is going to be due on October the 15th. And as a reminder, I'm presenting this to the class right now so that you don't wait until the last minute. I understand that there's other courses that you have to engage in, and many of you all, for the most part, are taking a full load. You do have other courses, and you do have other instructors that you have to work with. So again, the midterm project, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I can go into further details in regards to this. But that will be due on October the 15th. So we have 2 more weeks before that's due. And another thing, as you go into week number 6, we will take our first quiz. And so our first quiz will cover chapters 1 through 5. And it's 9 questions culminating from true and false and multiple choice. It's not a real long quiz. It's not a long quiz at all. It happens to be 9 questions, true and false, multiple choice. So, quiz 1. And remember, class, make sure that you look at this instructional video first before you engage within the week in terms of doing the coursework. The first quiz will be taken and due by Friday. That's Friday at 11:59. So, Friday, September 30th, you're going to take this quiz. You'll have this quiz taken. So, the agenda for the week, as we are week number 6, you will look at this instructional video as you're doing now. You will engage in the readings in chapter 6. Also look at the written lecture material that I provided. I've also provided a PowerPoint as well, which is a reflection of the written material. Your discussion post will be due Thursday, September 29th. You are to take the first quiz Friday, September the 30th, and your week 6 assignment, which would be a paragraph summary of product differentiation, that's going to be due Saturday, October the 1st. Okay, if you have any questions, as always, class, this is my time to be reached when it comes to availability. I'm going to always put this up. 6 to 9, Monday through Saturday, you can reach me by phone. You can email me as well. The email could be anytime. I'm sorry. And I was going to talk about the text, and I was going to get that confused with the email. You can text me Monday through Saturday from 3 to 9 p.m., and you can email me. And for the most part, for all the students that have emailed me, as you have noticed, I do reply back to emails within the same day. Okay, everyone. That's it. Week 6 is officially open to you. Make sure that you start working on your midterm project. One more thing that I want to talk about and discuss that would happen to be the signature assignment. And for the most part, for week 5, that was section 1, which the assignment that was due last night. If you have not turned that in yet, make a valiant effort, okay, to work on week number 5 here, which is really your final paper. Okay, and that is your signature assignment on Quest Cuisine, the restaurant Quest Cuisine. And I will go back, just as a reminder here, let me go back here, and I will show everybody where that's at. You will find it right here in the table of contents, and it is a PDF document. So the assignment that was due last night was section 1, where you were to give your introduction of Quest Cuisine, and then also give me some recipes and give me some unit conversions along with some yields and cost. If you have not done so, again, if you have not completed this assignment, by all means work on it and get it in before the weekend is out. Okay, everyone. This is Professor Javier Black signing off, and you enjoy your Sunday, and I will talk to you soon.